Friends, today on top of record historical profits in the stock market, we have more one in Best Buy. Yesterday I announced, and you know that I normally don't issue trade alerts in Best Buy, but yesterday I announced, because I know that some of you have been long the stock for momentum issues, I announced that you should close long positions at 44.01 yesterday. So you refer to your mobile phone where you have that SMS trade alert. And also yesterday I announced, if you didn't have a short position, to sell short the stock above that price. And today you have Best Buy at $39. But you knew that this was going to happen, right? So it is not a question of when it is that this was going to happen. And if this was going to happen, you had to have to close long positions at 44.01, and you had to sell short the stock, because you are not here trading or investing for tops and bottoms. You are here to make considerable money in the stock market, and that is what you have been doing, and there is nothing else to be said. Because I already announced my opinion about this company, Best Buy, and there are no changes whatsoever. So congratulations. Today, Best Buy, if you wanted to make more $100,000 at least, I repeat, intraday, there was also that opportunity selling short the stock at $40.50, and you see that stock is now $39. And you also knew that the pivot, it is the $38.50. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this morning we have Best Buy at $26. And this confirms my view that I had last year. This stock was going to be one of the best selling short opportunities in the market. You had to have a very large short position. You had to sell entirely the long-term long position when I called the bottom in this stock at $11.50, when no one wanted in fact the stock. And then you had, I repeat, to sell entirely the long position last year in November, when I informed you to sell the long position at $44 and to sell short the stock. You could have a short position, as I told you last year, since $38. That was not a problem. I told you that the downside in this stock could be huge, and today you have confirmation of it, with the stock down more than 30% overnight in 2014. So Best Buy crash follows the crash in Ulu, it follows the crash in SodaStream, it follows the crash in OCZ Technology, it follows the crash in Sears Holdings, it follows the crash in GCP and in BlackBerry last year, all stocks that I addressed here as great selling short opportunities. While Wall Street was upgrading this stock to strong buy ratings in Best Buy and increasing the price targets, I told you that Best Buy was no longer investment. It was a stock to sell short, because the risk involved in the stock on a long-term basis to be very large. So you have today, I repeat, in 2014, and this in a matter of 2 months, confirmation of my vision last year that this stock was one day going to crash, and therefore you had to maintain a short position on the stock, a very large one, as I recommend last year, equivalent to 1 million shares, and this obviously to make triple-digit profits, return on investment in the stock market without any risk whatsoever. Thank you very much. I believe that this should constitute a lesson to all of you that are looking for investment in the stock market, to not listen to Wall Street analysts, to not listen to entertainers in Wall Street that they continuously recommend to buy stocks where or while there is momentum on the stock, and then one day everyone that has been holding on to this stock on the long side, one day they see that, or they realize that they lose entirely their account overnight. And this is what is happening today with all these investors in best day that they've been adding to the long side through the past few months, and I think they deserve it because they didn't listen to a service that has been posting here the best track record in the world across different market sectors, and this continuously regardless of market conditions. Thank you.